Press and hold the EJEAS button of Q8 for 3 seconds to turn on the phone. Press and hold the EJEAS button of MS8 for 3 seconds to turn on the phone. After turning on the phone, press and hold the mesh button of Q8 for 5 seconds until the traffic light flashes alternately to enter mesh intercom pairing mode. Press and hold the M key of MS8 for 5 seconds until the traffic light flashes alternately to enter mesh intercom pairing mode. Click Q8's mesh button. When the green lights of the two machines flash slowly at the same frequency, the pairing is successful and people can talk at the same time.